Get ready to be swept away as we unveil the top 5 nature wonders of Phuket, Thailand, a paradise that promises to mesmerize your senses and lift your spirits. There's a twist you won't want to miss. Stay tuned until the end to discover the surprising gem that takes our coveted #1 spot. Now, let's dive into the magic of summering in Phuket. Picture yourself standing on the shores of Phuket, where the sun-kissed sands stretch as far as the eye can see. As we explore the island's stunning coastline, we encounter a series of dreamy beaches that cater to every type of traveler. Among them, the world-famous Patong Beach steals the spotlight with its vibrant energy and bustling atmosphere. But, let me share a secret. For those seeking a quieter slice of paradise, Freedom Beach awaits. Tucked away from the crowds, this hidden gem offers a serene escape, surrounded by lush jungle and caressed by the gentle lapping of crystal-clear waters. And here's an insider's tip. Don't forget to pack your snorkeling gear. The underwater world here is a kaleidoscope of colors, with coral gardens and tropical fish that transform the ocean into a living work of art. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and awaken your senses. Phuket's food scene is a tantalizing fusion of flavors, where the vibrant street food culture takes center stage. Get ready to sample authentic dishes that showcase the essence of Thai cuisine. While savoring classics like pad Thai and green curry is a must, let's explore some lesser-known delights. Have you ever tried som tum, a zesty papaya salad that dances on your palate with its medley of flavors? And then there's massaman curry, a rich and creamy coconut-infused masterpiece that marries sweet and savory in a culinary symphony. And here's a juicy tidbit. The infamous durian fruit, often described as an acquired taste due to its strong aroma, is so polarizing that it's banned in many public places across the island. Whether you love it or loathe it, it's a conversation starter that's bound to spark a lively debate. Our adventure continues as we set sail to the mesmerizing Phang Nga Bay, a place that seems plucked from the pages of a fantasy novel. As we glide through the tranquil waters, we're greeted by the sight of towering limestone casts that emerge dramatically from the Emerald Sea. But here's the twist. To truly immerse ourselves in the wonders of this bay, we'll be exploring by sea kayak. Paddling through hidden lagoons and mystical caves, we unveil the bay's best-kept secrets. Did you know that one of these hidden treasures is known as James Bond Island? That's right. This iconic spot gained international fame as a filming location for the Bond movie, The Man with the Golden Gun. So, as you paddle through these enchanting waters, you're not just experiencing nature's beauty but also stepping into the footsteps of a cinematic legend. Phuket is a destination of contrasts, where serene landscapes seamlessly blend with a vibrant nightlife that knows how to party. And where else to witness this energy than on Patong's infamous Bangla Road? As the sun dips below the horizon, this lively street transforms into a neon-lit playground of excitement. The air is filled with music, laughter, and a palpable sense of anticipation. But here's a little-known secret about Bangla Road. It's not just about the night. During the day, this very road turns into a bustling marketplace, where local vendors display an array of goods, from colorful textiles to intricate crafts. It's the perfect place to snag unique souvenirs and immerse yourself in Phuket's vibrant local culture. Get ready to uncover the crown jewel of our Phuket adventure, the breathtaking Fifi Islands. With their surreal beauty and natural grandeur, these islands have captured the imagination of travelers worldwide. The Fifi Islands offer an escape into a world where turquoise waters gently caress pristine shores, and lush greenery stands as a testament to nature's artistry. But there's a twist in our tale. The Fifi Islands, as paradise-like as they are, have faced challenges due to their immense popularity. The delicate balance between preserving the island's natural splendor and managing the effects of over-tourism has become a subject of debate. It's a reminder of the responsibilities we bear as travelers to protect the places we love. So, as you venture to this stunning paradise, remember to tread lightly, respect the environment, and ensure that the magic of the Fifi Islands endures for generations to come. As we conclude our journey through the magic of summering in Phuket, Thailand, I encourage you to share your thoughts, experiences, and travel aspirations in the comments below. Please make sure to like and subscribe to get notified when we post our latest travel tips videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more captivating journeys with you. And hey, if you've been to Phuket or any of the places we've mentioned, drop a comment and let us know about your unforgettable experiences. Safe travels, and until next time.